Hello students, so welcome to this revision session. So we're going to construct this question that came in 2017 GCE paper 2. So it says construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is 9 centimeters, angle PQR is 60 degrees, and the QR is 10 centimeters. Okay, so let us do the first one first. So in the question they're saying PQ is 9 centimeters. So you get your ruler. This is how you do it. So you get your ruler, you measure 9 centimeters. Okay, so we start from here. This is from 0 here up to 9 there. Okay, so we're going to measure 9 centimeters. Okay, so that is the length of 9 centimeters. So we are going to label this as P, and this is Q, and this line is our 9 centimeters. Okay, so that's the first step. The second one is saying PQR, this angle is 60 degrees. So to measure an angle, you get your what? A protractor. Okay, you see the protractor like this one. Okay, so we're going to put, since the angle is Q, that is the letter that is on the middle, Q. So we put on a Q like that. So straight. Okay, so we start from here. This is 0. As you can see, it's from 0, we go. So they're saying it's 60. So this is our 60 here. Okay, so we're going to put a mark. Just put a mark on 60 to show that the 60 passes through there. Okay, so this is where the line is going to pass. Okay, so now the next point is QR is 10 centimeters. QR is 10 centimeters. How do you do that? You get your ruler and your compass. So we're going to measure 10 centimeters on this using this compass. So you open the compass to a distance of 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Like that. So this is 10 centimeters. You see? This is 10 centimeters. So we're going to get the 10 centimeters. Since in the question they're saying QR. So we don't know where R is, but we know where our Q is. So you're going to stand on Q. Stand on Q like that, and open an arc. Okay? Hope you're able to see. You open an arc like that. Open an arc. Okay. So we have opened an arc on what? On Q. Like that. So we have opened an arc. After we do that now, we are going to join from Q here up to the arc that we have opened, passing through this point of 60 degrees that we measured. Okay, so we're going to join the two. So from here, we're going to join. Okay, like that. So we know that this angle here is our 60 degrees. Okay, so this point here is our R, and the distance QR is 10 centimeters. Okay, so now this other distance have not been given. PR have not been given. So what do? We just join this distance. We join it to complete our triangle. Okay, so we have that. We have the triangle here. Let's go to the next question. The next question says, measure and write the length of PR. So we need to measure and write the length of PR. Okay, so you get your ruler, we put it on 0 like that. You see there? We put it there. So when we measure, when we come here, you see, we have 8, here we have 9. So this is 9.5. Okay, 9.5. So therefore, our A, Roman numerals 2, PR is equals to 9.5 centimeters. Okay, we have answered. The next one, B says, on your diagram, draw the locus of points within triangle PQR, which are the first one, 3 centimeters from PQ, 3 centimeters from PQ. How do we draw that point? So this is our PQ. This is our PQ. So 3 centimeters from here, going upwards 3 centimeters, away from PQ 3 centimeters. So you get your compass and your ruler. So we are going to measure the distance of 3 centimeters. We measure 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters. As you can see here, 3 centimeters. When you do that, you stand on Q, okay? And you open an arc like this. You open an arc on Q. Using this same distance, you go on P. You go on P, you open another one. You open another one. Okay, like that. After doing that now, you connect the two. You draw a line passing on top of these arcs that you have made, like this. So it will be like this. So it should pass on top, on top. So we draw a line there, like that. So this is our 3 centimeters from what? From PQ. So when we measure it, let us measure to prove. So when we measure here from 0, you can see, so from here up to here it is 3 centimeters. So you have shown the point there. Okay, so go to the next one. The next one is saying 7 centimeters from R. Okay, so we draw a point of 7 centimeters from R. We get our ruler, again with the compass, we measure 7 centimeters, the length of 7 centimeters. So here, this is our 7 centimeters, okay? So now we go R. Where is our R? Our R is here. So you can turn your paper, okay, like this. So we stand on R like that, and open an arc, okay? You open an arc like that. Open an arc like that. So that is your 7 centimeters. So this is our what? This is our 7 centimeters. From R, it is 7 centimeters up to here. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question says, draw a point which is equidistant from P and R. Equidistant from P and R. Now, when they say equidistant, it means that you need to bisect the what? The line P and R. So this is P and R. So you need to cut this line in between somewhere here. How do you do that? What you do is this. Okay, you get your compass, you open more than half. Okay, open your compass more than half this line. Okay, so as you can see, this is more than half. This is more than half. So when you open more than half, you stand on one point. So let us stand on the point P. Okay, point P, we open an arc on top. We also open another one down. Okay, open on top and also down on P. You go and stand on what? On R. We stand on R, and then you bisect the points that you had opened. So you bisect here, and also here you bisect. Okay, here and here. Now, after you have done that, you see the points that you have bisected, eh? So we have bisected here and also here. Now, after doing that, we need to join those points. We join the points that have been bisected. We join the points. So get your ruler, join the 2 points. Join the 2 points like that. Like that. So this means that you have bisected this line. You have cut it in between. Okay? You have cut this line in between. Let's go to the next point. Now, the next point says a point M, okay, so there's point M within triangle PQR is such that it is nearer to R, okay? So this point M is nearer to R. Let us see. Now, have we seen this point, that this line that has bisected, it has cut the what? This line P and R in between. So this point M is somewhere this side. It is somewhere this side is nearer to R, and this other side of the line is nearer to P. So point M is nearer to R. It goes on to say it is less than or equal to 7 centimeters. See, 7 centimeters. Okay, these are 7 centimeters. So this line, this point M is less than this 7 centimeters. So it is somewhere this side. Somewhere this side. Okay? From R, and less than or equal to 3 centimeters from PQ. Okay? So it is less than or equal to 3 centimeters. Now, if it is here, it is this side, less than this 7 centimeters, and also less than the 3 centimeters is this. So we'll discover that what qualifies our point M, it will lie somewhere here, okay? And the question says, shade the region in which M must lie. So we're going to shade, so our M will be found here. It will be found here. So we're going to shade here. We shade here, and then we even show that this is point what? M. So point M is here. Okay, so that is how you deal with such a question. So this was the answer for this question. Thank you very much for watching. You can practice this same question so that you get and understand the concept.